guys, how are you doing? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Here it's Life with Kiki and it's all about laughter and love all day, all time, kama kawa. Either. Guys, I promised you things after things after things. I don't know what, but things too. Fun. Because here it's all about fun. If you know me, you know I'm a foodie. Yes, and today I welcome you to the kitchen. I welcome you to the kitchen. So I thought you should help me prepare wet fried chicken, kienyeji chicken. Yes. So today's video is our first video in the kitchen, I guess. Yes. We're preparing wet fried chicken, kienyeji chicken. Okay. If you're new here, please consider subscribing because we are a family and you join our family by hitting that subscribe button, turning on the notification bell so that you may be notified every time we are available over here. And please share the link. I'll put the link in the description box. Share the link with your friends. Help me reach. We're on the road to 500 subscribers right about now. Okay, so let's get straight into this video. So guys, here I'm making my tomato paste. Like, I love homemade tomato paste for my chicken. Here is our already boiled kienyeji chicken, and after we make the paste, that's when we'll start cooking. Okay, so for the paste, guys, you use 3 tomatoes finely chopped. You place them in an empty sufuria and then you like cook it for a while for it to have paste. Inside the tomato, I will have my ginger, I will have my turmeric, I will put a little bit of cinnamon powder, yes, and the red chili, and the red chili. So these are the spices that I'll be using. So guys, our paste is ready. This is how it looks. This is our homemade paste. You can as well decide to use uncooked tomato. You can add it to the meat, but for me I prefer to make the paste first. So let's get straight into the cooking because we have everything we need ready. So in our sufuria we have very little oil. In it we will be adding our onions. I love my onions.
I wanna come home to roses, dirty little notes on post-its, and when my hair starts turning gray, I'll say I'm like a fine wine, better with age. I guess I learned it from my parents, that true love starts with friendship. A kiss on the forehead, a date night, fake an apology after a fight. I need a man who's patient and kind, gets out of the car and holds the door.
Straight up, so you're going, after you add your meat, you're going to put a little stock. It's stock. And then you have a little bit brown. So we'll take our paste, we'll distribute it to our meat. And remember, when you're fry, we don't use water, we use the stock that we got from our meat. The remaining stock. I didn't use a lot of paste because I will add some whole to it and allow it to cook for a while. And then I'll add stock, nifunikie. It's stock again, stock kidogo, nifunikie for it to cook a little bit. We like check our food. You can see how yummy it's becoming. See that? See that? Oh my goodness. So it's ready. This is something that doesn't take up to 20 minutes to do, you guys. As long as your meat is well, it's okay. So we marinate it. We marinate. How is it called? Kuweka dania ni inaitwa aje aki chefs. We whatever it with some dania, and we do this towards the end so that we retain the aroma and the nutrients of dania. So hapa we only stir once, like to just let all the meat get the dania. And then guys, you can see it's wet fry, but it doesn't have a lot of soup in it, like aina maji mob. This is because we have the water, we have this chicken soup. You can take it. So guys, I'm done for today. That's it. You can serve your food with, you can serve your kienyeji wet fry with any accompaniment, may it be white rice, ugali, chapati. It can as well be pilau. So for me, I decided to serve mine with pilau. I'll show you the outcome right about now. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, share, because that's all we do here. We spread the love, we take care of each other. So that's the end of today's video. Please stay safe, take care of yourselves, because I need you here at this channel, and enjoy with me. This is the outcome of what we're making. I decided to serve mine with pilau, as I said, and this is how it came out. Peace, bye. So guys, this is how my food came out. Yeah, I did pilau, as I told you, with the chicken. It's yummy, trust me, it's yummy.